Konnichiwa, welcome to Mrs. Lin's Kitchen. In my last video, I show you how to make the Asparagus Temaki or Japanese hand roll using asparagus as the major ingredient. In this video, I'm sharing with you another quick and easy hand roll recipe, the Vegetable Temaki. Here is the ingredients overview. For this recipe, I use Japanese cucumber, but if you can't find it, you can use Persian cucumber instead. You can eat the vegetable temaki with soy sauce or temaki sauce. To learn how to make temaki sauce, please watch my asparagus temaki video. The link will be in the description box below. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, peel the carrot and thinly slice it into a matchstick size. Also thinly slice the cucumber. Next, cut the avocado in half. Peel off the skin. Thinly slice the avocado. If your nori is not crispy, you can lightly toast it on the stovetop. To make the vegetable temaki hand roll, first place alfalfa on 1/3 of the nori on the left. Next, add cucumber and carrot on the bed of alfalfa closer to the top half of the nori sheet. Then add the avocado and drizzle some temaki sauce. Slowly and tightly roll the nori from left to right. The vegetable temaki will become a cone shape. Make sure you eat it while it's freshly rolled. Vegetable temaki is a refreshing dish and it's a great option for days when you just want a light meal. I hope you enjoy watching my Japanese temaki hand roll recipe today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Happy eating and I'll see you in my next video.